we will learn how to assign crew to a flight in Lyon. To assign crew to a flight for the first time, we need to ensure that all initial settings are in place. In some of our other videos, we've already discussed aircraft positions, ratings, and other important details for crew setup. Today, we'll focus on the step-by-step process of adding crew. Once we've added the fleet and users to the system, we need to set up the crew positions. Go to Settings and select Aircraft Crew Positions. Then, choose the aircraft type, select all the necessary positions for this type, and save the changes. For the cockpit, you might need a captain, first officer, and possibly an instructor. For the cabin crew, you can assign a flight attendant and additional positions. If you check this box, the position will be automatically available when adding a flight. Once you're done, save the changes. Now, we can assign ratings to specific users. Go to Users, choose a user and go to their profile. In the Ratings tab, assign ratings to the aircraft type you selected earlier. In our example, we'll make Thomas a captain. Click Save to update the ratings for this user. Repeat this process to add ratings for other users. Once the initial settings are in place, we can proceed and add a flight. Go to the Ops panel and add a flight as you normally would. In the Crew tab, you'll see the list of positions that we've chosen to show automatically when adding a flight. You can also add positions manually using this option. The drop-down will show all the other positions marked in the Aircraft Crew Position section. Select one, and it will appear in the list. To delete a position, click the little bin icon next to it. To add a crew member, simply click here, and Lyon will suggest an available crew member. You can also add a crew member manually by clicking on the pen icon. This small cross will delete the crew member. Next to each crew member, you will see a dot that's either red or green. A green dot indicates that there are no flight time limit violations, the passport is valid, the currency is correct, as well as airport recency, familiarization, and all the endorsements. A red dot indicates an issue. For instance, the lack of currency or a valid travel document. Once you're done, click Save. You can also go back and add this information at any point. Before the system allows you to save, it will display a warning regarding different aspects of the flight, including the selected crew members. This warning contains information about FTL violations, expiring certificates, crew currency, and so on. You can still save the flight by clicking Save ignoring warnings. If a crew member shows on a red background in the flight list, it means that they need attention. Hover your mouse over the crew code to see a list of warnings and violations, if there are any. There are two other ways to assign crew to a flight in Lyon, via the crew timeline and automatically via the crew calendar. Let's see how to assign crew via the crew timeline. Choose a flight and press A on your keyboard, or right-click to open the selection menu. You can choose more than one flight by holding the Control button and clicking on the desired flights. Select the Assign Crew option. A pop-up window will appear, divided into 5 tabs: Cockpit, Cabin, Maintenance, UAV, and Other. You can also filter crew by base and crew labels. Click on the crew member you would like to assign. The list will show available crew based on the airport of departure for the flight. If no crew is based at the airport of departure, all bases will appear. Only crew with ratings for the chosen aircraft type will be shown. You can see the accumulated month-year block time for each crew member. For crew with multiple ratings, only the primary code is active. To assign crew to non-default positions, click on Show All Positions to see other available positions. Once you've assigned the crew, click Save. To assign crew to the same sector or a series of sectors, click the flight with the desired crew with the left mouse button and select Copy Crew. Then, select the next sectors and press Paste Crew. To copy crew to multiple sectors, hold Shift or Control while selecting them. A pop-up window will appear with the selected crew. You can then select any crew member if needed. Please note that you cannot copy crew to flights with different aircraft types. Leon will display a warning message if you try to do so. You can also replace assigned crew with others. To do so, mark a flight or flights, right-click and select Replace Crew. A pop-up window will display names and codes of the assigned crew. Click on the field next to each name, showing no change, to see a drop-down list of available crew. Only crew with ratings for the assigned aircraft will appear. In our case, we have no users with the same ratings, so no names are on the list. Upon clicking Save, information about replacing crew should appear in the top right corner. To delete an assigned crew member, choose a flight or multiple ones and right-click to open the selection menu. Upon clicking Delete Crew, you will be asked to confirm the action. Press Yes to delete or No to cancel. The third way to assign crew to a flight in Leon is via auto-rostering in the crew calendar. First, define duties on the aircraft in Settings, Duties Setup. As described in one of our other videos, the critical step here is to check if the auto roster is activated in the duty definition. Once duties are set up, go to the crew calendar, right-click on the selected day or date and choose the duty for the particular aircraft. A new window will appear, divided into two sections. The left one displays details such as aircraft registration, the airport of the crew's last duty, default from to times, date range, auto roster position, showing a drop-down list with all crew members' ratings, selected crew code, name and surname field for assigning more crew, and notes fields. The right section shows all flights of the selected aircraft within the chosen period and positions of assigned crew members. Once the duties have been added, you might need to publish the changes unless defined in General Settings to auto-publish added duties. The added duty will show in the calendar with an aircraft icon. In the Ops panel, assigned crew will show on the previously selected positions.